These are two Carrier air conditioners at my brother's best friend's neighbor's house. They're both Carrier. That's just his dog barking. It's okay. That one, both from 2008. That one's from 46th week of 07, and this one's from the 5th week of 08. There's furnace blue pipes for one. Model number on the bigger Carrier is 24AB342A310, and it has R410A Puron refrigerant, 5.84 pounds of it. And then the model number on the small Carrier is 24ABA30A0032010. Specs. It's gas furnace for the big Carrier, and I'm assuming the small Carrier goes upstairs. It's a straight cool unit. There's a Copeland-Scrolls compressor Carrier. That one also has a Copeland-Scrolls, a lot bigger. Oh, it's just his dog, don't worry. Disconnects, ancient. Filter dryer, Emerson bidirectional liquid line, R410A filter dryer, and this one also has, this one, the little one, also has Puron. They both have Puron. The big one has 5.84 pounds of it, and this one has 4.0, so it has a little bit less. This one's a 2.5 ton, and this one's a 3.5 ton. Both 14 SEER units, 2.5 ton, 3 ton. So, once again, unit on the left is a 2.5 ton, unit on the right is a 3 ton. There's a view of them. Yep, over and out. Well, yeah. Both Carrier, R410A, out.